Whoa! Free boat ride for 3. Now, who should I take? Sarah?
Yes.
And J-Pain. Cool.
Oh yeah! Get your towels ready, it's about to go down. Everybody in the place better hit the deck, but stay on your chamber chasing toes. I'm running this, let's go. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the chamber chasing boat. I'm on a boat, chamber chaser, take a look at me. Straight floating on a boat on the deep blue sea. Busting 30K, making me wanna float. You can't stop me, chamber chaser, cause I need to float. Sell a membership, sell a sponsorship. Drinking Santana champ, cause it's so crisp. I got my swim trunks and my flippin' floppies. I'm flipping burgers, you at work, straight flipping copies. You could ride on a dolphin doing flips and stuff. You could earn that ride and it may get tough, but this is chamber chase. It's as real as it gets. Go on a boat, chamber chaser, don't you ever forget. I'm on a boat and it's going fast, and I got a nautical theme, Pashmina Afghan. I'm queen of the world on a boat like Leo. If you didn't hit gold, then you show not me-o. Get busy now, this boat is real. Sell Margo on a boat, chamber chaser. Earn money and a trip, chamber chaser. Be on deck with your team, chamber chaser. Allow yourself to dream, chamber chaser. Hey CG, if you could see me now. Arms spread wide on the starboard bow. Sold enough to get on this boat somehow. Like Terry Harbin, anything is possible. Yeah. Never thought I'd be on a boat. Let's go. For hitting on my chamber chase goal. Yeah. Bill Sisson, look at me. Oh. Never thought I'd see the day when I tell enough to earn my way. Believe me when I say I signed up, be away. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the chamber chasing boat. It's I, yeah, yeah, yeah.